Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do some super easy color correction. We're going to be using the waveform monitor, and so let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is go to your color tab, make sure your clip is in your timeline. You want your primary color wheels open, and you also are going to want your scope waveform open. So you might be wondering what the waveform monitor is. It kind of looks like the clip, but not exactly. So what it is pretty much is the highlights and the shadows of your clip, or the white and the black. So what you want to do is avoid crushing these. And by crushing these, I mean having it too close to the top or too close to the bottom. So here's two examples to show this. So you can see if the image is lighter, it's going to be closer to the top. And if it's darker, it's going to be to the bottom. You can see the contrast here. The darker spots are trying to reach the bottom and the lighter spots are trying to reach the top. Now back in DaVinci Resolve, we can go ahead and bring our clip to the point you want to focus on. For the color correction, I just want the middle of the trick here. Look at your waveform monitor and you can see we want to bring the shadows down a bit because they're not quite at the bottom yet. Not too much. You can see I'm crushing it a bit there. So just bring it up to where it's just above. Now moving on to the highlights, you can see they're crushed already. So let's just bring them down a bit and bring the top as close to 1000 as you can get. Now if you wanna, you can up the saturation a little bit, bring the colors out and make it more vibrant. I also recommend just going back and playing the clip through, making sure nothing gets crushed while it's playing through. And if everything's good, then that's all you need to do basic color correction. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, subscribe. And let me know if you guys want to see longer videos where I go more in depth. I try to make my videos short, but if you want some longer ones, let me know. Thanks guys.